Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a post on LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn. You will see the option Start a Post here. Click on it. A small window will appear. Now, type anything you want here. For example, I wrote Subscribe to Fixmaster here. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to Fixmaster. Here, there are some other options below. Let's discuss them. You can add emojis from here. You can add any image from here. Then, you can create any event from here. You can set a reminder for celebrating any occasion from here. Click on More, so if you want to hire someone, this option will be useful. With this option, you can create a poll according to your preference. You can add documents from here, like a certificate or any other item. If you want to find an expert for your work, this option is for you. So, after preparing your post, click on Post. It will take some time, and after this, you can see that I have posted my post. Now you have learned how to post on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.